Alright, today I'm going to teach you guys how to use ringtones to create free ringtones for your phone. First, you're going to go to the internet, type in www.ringtones.com, click on create free ringtones, and then you're going to want to click on sign up here, and you're going to have to put in some information, but since I've already signed up, just do my account. Okay, well I don't want to edit my ringtones, so once you got an account, click create free ringtones. And then you're going to want to go, let's say you want, I don't know, the Zelda ringtone. You're going to just Google whatever ringtone you want. And you're just going to click on it or something. You just want to download an MP3, so you can use any song, any MP3 or anything. And you can click browse. I'll use this song. You're going to click upload song. And it'll take a little tiny bit of time. And here you just edit the name. I think that's what it's called. I'll just type in ringtone here. You can add to, fade, add treble. Change that around. Do the seconds. 100. Then just click create ringtone. Now, if you're like Rogers or Fido, you're gonna want to click here, and you're going to click send a phone. And now you're gonna have to get on your phone, and you're either gonna have to use 3G or Wi-Fi, and you're gonna have to go to this website. And yeah, that's pretty well it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment and subscribe.